All right, guys, here we go. January 26th, looking at the Apple chart. Actually, this is the 2-minute chart of Apple. Every candle is 2 minutes of price action. And basically, we're in this inside bar. Everything is closed inside this red candle bar here so far. And we made a high for the day. Kind of came up into that high pivot level, but couldn't take it out. In other words, we haven't exceeded the high of the day, which is really right here. So we're looking at a possible, rollover here, but we're not going to get in or do anything until confirmation. If you can't name it, identify it, know what's going on, then we're not going to take that trade. Okay, just like your heart surgeon going in, take a look at your heart. He doesn't, he goes, well, on a feeling or I think, I need to be snipping here, snipping there, and that's probably not going to have a good result. So, same with your financial well-being. If you just feel, well, I think there's a green candle, I think I might get in here. Well, what's going to happen after that? But even more importantly, if we do roll over and take out this red candle, that inside bar pattern. One, two, three, four, five candles in here so far. And normally, if you stack up a high amount, you'll get a big push either to the upside or downside. So we're just letting it, setting our hands, letting it play out, see which way the market goes, because the market's always 100% right, just like Mother Nature. So we're going to let the market make the decision. Then we'll be able to identify, the breakout or breakdown. And then, even more important than that, and I'm saying all that to get to this point, you got to have a stop loss. Your stop loss is your security, your life vest, out in the ocean, whatever. And, you don't do anything without a stop loss, either mentally or, plugging it into your system. If it exceeds a certain price level, then, it automatically closes you out. And so, yeah, we'll take that and then we'll have a visual stop loss here. But let me put you on pause, let this thing play out, and then we will go from there. Okay, we're back. We're still in that same candle, but it did roll over like it is now, red all the way down here. And if you kind of look at this measured boost, it just leg up about half of that. Look at half. I'm just eyeballing it. Half of it's probably right about in here. And um, yeah, if you can't get over that, in other words, half of it, then odds are, percentages are you're gonna, roll over to the downside. And we've had, one, two, three, almost four, candle attempts to get up and over that 20, the blue line, and um, this halfway mark. A lot of times, if you do, you'll break out, come down, retest it, and go. And yeah, that's what you want, that 3 count right there. But all right, let me put you on pause again, and we'll pick it up, when price gets moving here. And let's see what this one. We still got a minute 40 seconds or so on this one. And we will see if we dump or pump here. But okay, let me put you on pause. We'll come back. Okay, guys, here we go. We're kind of breaking through. Let me see if we get a pullback. I'm sitting there blabbing. I missed getting in. And we still have there we go, over 30 seconds. So anything could happen here as far as getting back, pulling back up and over, our inside bar play here. About 14 seconds. Let me take one there. I just take it here. About 7 seconds. If we roll back up, and I'll take some more entries up here. Okay, if that makes sense. We pull back up. Um, I'll add to that. And then I'm going to flip a line right here, see if we can get down. Oh, wow, we passed it. Okay. And see, we come down to that point 618 fib. Oh, come on, get it. Tell you what, we got four. We're gonna try to get out at 400. Oh my gosh, now it's reversing. Let me get out of here. Clear this up. My ADD takes over if I get too much on the chart. So if we get 400, hit 400 again, I'll get out. Come on, I thought we'd come down to that 0.786 fib right here. Let me show you that again. Yeah, right in there is where I was thinking. Okay, there's 420, 430. We're out. Okay. All right. See, we'll come down, hit that blue dash line. And anyway, got about 37 seconds to go. Okay. Nice big sell-off candles. See, that's what I was telling you. Even on the daily, it's a 2 minute chart. Every candle's 2 minutes of price action. But even on the daily, weekly, whatever, the longer spread you have here, that's what I look forward to, man. Seeing these with big consolidation zones across there. Because when they do break out up to the upside or to the downside, you see, they run hard and fast. And anyway, here we go. But all right, I'm not going to make you sit here and watch paint dry, but who knows? We might end up hitting that blue dash line. But all right, guys, give us a follow on Twitter. Check out our Patreon members page. We can teach you how to do this. And we will see you on the charts.